Honestly, looks very saucy and nice. Good? I'm gonna retire my YouTube career and become a chef.
Good.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And we are recording today because today is a very special day. A day that I thought would never really happen in like a million years, because it's like hard to convince my mom to do anything.
But she's different now.
But she's different now. So today we are preparing some food because guess what? My mom is coming in like an hour and 30 minutes.
Yep.
So for the very first time, well, the second time I'm cooking for my mom. And she is in Europe. Can you believe it, guys? Georgia is in Europe. So she first made a stop in Switzerland where she was visiting family. Yeah. This is my mom's brother, guys. You can see they kind of look alike, you know, but not gonna lie. The same face, you know, right? That's so? Yeah. Guys, do you think my mom's brother looked like her? So we came to see my mom's brother after 20 years. I haven't seen him. So her brother lives there. She also has a sister that lives in France. She has some in-laws that she was like reconnecting with, and I'm so glad that she actually did that. So she was in Switzerland reconnecting with family and doing all that jazz, and now she's coming here. And the main reason why she's coming here, of course, is to see me and Simis. But the second reason is she came here I scheduled some doctor's appointments for her to get screened for like several different types of cancers. You guys saw that my stepdad died of cancer, and now she's in a panic, and the healthcare system here in Lithuania is like really top notch. So I definitely wanted her to experience really good healthcare with doctors that actually really care about solving problems. So we're gonna get that done, and we're gonna show her some sights. But let's go make some dinner for Georgia for when she gets here, and then you guys will see us go pick her up at the airport later. So let's go. So if you follow us on Facebook, you would have already seen me make this dish. It's an Instagram recipe, but when I called my mom just now, she told me that she wants real food. So that's what I'm making for her. I'm making whole foods with really good ingredients that are really good for her. And this is my rice. This is actually brown rice because we don't really eat white rice or like anything else. So I'm gonna go wash some rice, and you're gonna see how this recipe is gonna come together. But Simmons, how do you feel about my mom coming?
I am her official #1 guy.
That's not how you feel about her coming.
As being her #1 guy, I'm actually very happy that she's coming.
Oh.
Because, you know, it's been a while since we saw her, and you kind of need to get your little movie fix in sometimes. And I think a few days here will be very good for her because it'll be totally different from any place she's ever visited. And I think...
And the weather is gonna be good.
Yes, the sun literally just came out. We promised her that it will be sunny here because she's freezing in Switzerland, and then the weather is nice. So I think it'll be a good trip.
I think so too.
And I'm looking forward to seeing her until she becomes, you know, herself, and then she just bosses us around and is a passenger princess and stuff. So.
Yeah. Do you think she'll like this food that I'm making?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure, absolutely.
I'll tell you guys what it is when the recipe is done.
But
I think you guys may be getting the reveal when Georgia gets the reveal.
Yeah, but also, I think she should cook tomorrow.
Yeah, you want some rice and peas?
Rice and peas, plantain.
We don't have plantain.
We can go buy it.
Anyways, guys.
Since she's coming.
And my arm.
I'm sorry, Avri, I'm sorry.
You keep doing that to me.
Do it back to me. So
no, why? Usually I do that to you.
I know, but it's just the love is spilling out of me.
Alright. This should be enough.
Yeah.
What is... Wow. So what's coming out?
You have to start like use your nail and the napkin to like make it come out later.
Did you come take the beans down?
Yeah. Which one's yours?
The bottom. You have to stand on the chair.
I don't see my nose here.
It's not up here, it's not the highest one.
No.
This is unnecessary. You could have just stood on the chair, honey.
This is why women live longer than men.
Could have fell in your forehead.
I already have a dent in there, so.
You have enough real estate for it, so.
Look who's speaking.
I realize that you just tell me anything to get me to shut up. You do, don't you?
Sometimes.
Why do you do that?
Because you talk too much. Too much chatter comes out of your mouth sometimes.
Anyways, guys, this is the black beans, and I'm gonna be adding this to the beef because, like I said, this recipe is gonna be a mashup of things, but it's gonna be a hearty meal for Georgia after her flight. And she told me that she's been eating plastic food in Switzerland, so.
Oh, they have plastic food there too?
Yeah, she said that she's been eating.
So it's just like the US?
Yeah, so.
Wow.
So, according to some of you guys, we live very unstable and unpredictable lives, and I can honestly see where one can draw that conclusion. But living so unscripted and unstable makes it sometimes hard to keep up with daily schedules, routines, and even our diet. And you guys know I like to eat. And that's why I'm so happy to introduce you guys to today's sponsors, AG1. So let's play a little honesty game. Comment down below with I if you can safely and honestly say that you feel like you get the right amount of nutrients from the foods that you eat every single day. This is one reason why I love AG1 so much. It's because it's a foundational nutritional supplement that is backed by research and it supports healthy aging. Once you get your daily serving of AG1, you no longer have to worry or stress out about your daily nutritional needs. And also, in a research study, 97% of participants felt more energized after taking AG1 for only 31 days. Another important thing to note is that every serving of AG1 is filled with high quality ingredients following the strictest manufacturing standards. AG1 supports the immune system and includes 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food sourced ingredients. Make sure you try out AG1 today by clicking the link in the bio or in the pinned comment, and you'll get a welcome kit in your very first order. The welcome kit contains 5 AG1 travel packs, a 1-year supply of vitamin D3 and K2, a shaker bottle, a refillable canister, and a scoop. Remember to click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, or scan the QR code that will pop up around right here to get your welcome kit today. Now let's get back to the rest of this video, guys.
One day, you know? It's one of those.
No, she definitely uses it. This is my mom's favorite. A little bit of pepper sauce. So it is now 15:06, so it's 3:06, and this is another essential part of the recipe that I'm gonna be adding. These are just some tomatoes because this recipe goes very well with the tomato sauce. So I'm gonna put natural tomatoes and some tomato paste in there as well, mix it all up, and we're gonna get an explosion of tastes in our mouths. And I think my mom's gonna love this recipe. I'm done.
Please.
Oh shit. Why did it have to happen? I think I'm gonna do the unthinkable to this recipe.
No way.
Bam! I'm gonna hit it with the Congolese sauce.
No way.
All right, so my mom really likes spicy food. So, but this spicy is like diabolical spicy. Look at Simmons' face. Look at his little face.
I don't know if that's the best. Well, you know what?
Just
Actually,
a little tinsy wincy.
She's gonna be eating the.
You know how she is. She will add hot sauce to things that are already hot and then complain about how hot it is.
You should let her add this one later.
Yeah?
Actually, add it now and then watch
I'm just
her
gonna
add
do a very, very small amount because this sauce, guys, let me tell you. Let me open it up. I can't even open it.
It smells hot.
Ooh, all right. Oh my god. I don't even know. Is this like a Scotch bonnet or a habanero pepper? I have no idea what this is. I'm just gonna put this much in there. And this might even be too much, honestly. Because this thing is the devil. Like, the total devil. But Georgia likes it hot, so. Oh man. So the beef is basically done, so it's time for me to hit it with the taste test. So I tried to get everything. Some peas, some beef, some tomatoes. Why are you watching me?
Just eat it.
I'm gonna retire my YouTube career and become a chef.
Good.
It honestly looks very saucy and nice, which is kind of what I was going for. But for some reason, I feel like I could use a little of something else. I'm not sure what though. I'm gonna top it off with some spinach and cheese, but we'll see. Good?
Mm-hmm.
You think it needs something?
Mm-mm. It's really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know,
It has
right?
a saucy texture, the tanginess, the spice, the seasoning.
Juice.
It has the juice.
So as I said in the beginning of this video, this dish is gonna be a mashup of things. So we're going in with the spinach now. All right, so there we go with the spinach, the rice. So I can do one of two things with this rice. I can see if it's done cooking and just transfer it over, or I could add some more water to it and let it cook out a little bit, but it's gonna simmer when I mix it with this, so I'm wondering.
Girl, the guys too nice. They just smells amazing. Incredible. Presentable.
You know, it's crazy.
Hmm?
My mom hates brown rice.
She won't know what I'm doing.
Yep. I'll just tell her it's rice and peas. So the food is done and we still have like an hour left.
Not an hour.
We have a little time left. My mom's flight was like delayed a little. So
It wouldn't be Georgia if she wasn't fashionably late. So cheers, Patty, to your mother coming.
and me cooking for her. Can you believe it?
The world is truly upside down.
Yo, the reason why this video is such like a big event for us is because my mom is scared of flying and she's very easily exhausted by long distances. So to fly for a long time, she gets very agitated.
Just the thought of getting her on a plane for like 7 hours or something. She's like, oh my god, no, I've been to fly too long.
Uh-huh. She's been telling me that for how long, and because of that, it's been since 2007 or 2009 since she came to Europe.
Yep.
And since then, she hasn't really seen her brother, so... yeah, but anyways, if anyone will unite the family, it's me, so... yeah. Alright guys, stay tuned to see what Georgia thinks of the food. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Although it's done now. So I'll show you guys in the next clip what it looks like. And we'll see you in the next video when we pick up Georgia from the airport and she tries her daughter's cooking for the first time. Avri.